we currently have 9% of the health insurance space, and we are ranked number 4. We are the 12th largest insurance company in Kenya. But if you look at the entire insurance industry, penetration is still just at 3%. Now, one of the reasons that that has happened, first of all, is our distribution structure, and then risk averseness. People are happy to have a churn business going from one company to another every year. While the economy is growing, the middle class is growing, but we are not looking at how to penetrate that. Now, so this investment will do 2 things. Help us in also looking at alternative distribution. Alternative distribution, first of all, is experimental in this particular market. So we have to take alternative distribution from other markets and try and apply it here. The second one is give us ability to explore and dream, because when you're developing a product and going to uncharted waters, you may make some mistakes. Now, if you have thin capital, those mistakes can come and mess not only your bottom line, but your balance sheet. So this fund should help us do that. As an example, we are targeting to move from 3 billion to 33 billion by 2019. So it's a very, very ambitious. You can't do that without capital. And it's possible that in that journey, we may find that we require more capital. Now, we are happy that LeapFrog have just raised the fund, so they could have appetite to invest more money as we expand. Insurance is also capital intensive. The third thing you need to recognize that the regulation in this part of the market in East Africa is moving from a basic paid-up share capital to risk-based. Now, what risk-based means is the more you write, and the complexity of the risk that you write, the more capital you require. That's why we decided, let's go and raise a huge chunk of money in one go, so that we can be able to capture the market we want to go into and look at that as part of the future. So as penetration grows, we want to make sure that we are part of that journey. But most important, the industry, non-life industry, is growing at about 20%. Our target is to grow at about 35% compounded over the next 5 years to make sure that we are beating the industry and helping in that penetration.